Hi everyone, are you also a media buyer or a webmaster looking to maximize ROI on your media buying spends or advertising revenue? Meet Partners House. Partners House is one of the best networks to help you take maximum advantage of your traffic. I have been doing media buying for quite a while now, and I used to think about having extra income on top of my CPA or rev share from the CPA network. And Partners House helps me recover a fair share of the advertising spends in media buying with its rev share model. So it results in increased ROI and ROAS on my campaigns. So let me give you an example. For example, I buy traffic from AdCash or Propeller ads on my pre-landers, and then I have my CPA Smart link or CPA offers link on the pre-lander. And when the target audience makes a sign up or FTD, then I earn money from my CPA network. I spend $100 on the traffic and I make around $120 from my CPA network.
Nice.
So it is a good $20 profit on my campaign. But this is really not enough, right? What if I add an integration on my pre-lender, and this small integration makes an extra $20 or $40 profit for me? Yes,
wow.
this is not impossible. This is what you can do with Partners House. I've been doing this for a couple of months now and it works really great. And it is very interesting as well. And in this video, we are going to talk about all that, the integration setup and my results as well. I will also show you how I set up my ad campaign in AdCash and then how I add the integration with Partners House. So guys, as you can see, I've already set up my first site with Partners House already. You can see here. Let's create a new site for new integration. You can see the option your landing page out of all these three. Now you can see these three bullet points and go ahead with add landing page. You cannot delete the files, the subscriptions will be lost. So let's go ahead and choose any name of the site, right? As you can see, I have already set up the campaign in AdCash, and here is my hosting. I have hosted this website on Contabo with Cyberpanel. So I will go ahead and open the file manager of this domain. Okay, so let me copy the domain name, and here I need to give a custom name to this platform so that I can easily identify the site. There are two options, RevShare and CPL. CPL is available when you talk to your manager and it is a custom request. So then type the URL of your website. Then you need to first confirm your ownership of the site. So there are three methods. I will use this one. When you click on the download button, now once you have downloaded the file, now you need to upload it in the root directory of your web hosting. So wherever your website is, go to its file manager. If you have cpanel also has a different file manager. For now you need to upload it here, right? So click on upload and then drag and drop the file here and click on upload. So if you want to know how to install WordPress using Cyberpanel, I will add the link to my video tutorial in the description of this video, so you can check how you can host. Now let's see and check the ownership confirmation. It is confirmed now. So you can now also choose a few more options. Mailing frequency you can set to maximum to be able to make the maximum utilization of your website to monetize it. And now category, adult or mainstream, the kind of ads you want to show on your website or to your subscribers. Now you can choose to have adult ads or not. And then if you have post backs, then you can add the post backs as well. So now I'm just keeping it very simple. So we are not going to use any much options right here, and click on save platform right away. Now there are four type of monetization, as you can see: native web push, in page, on click, and to click push. In native web push, we need to first download the service worker and upload into the root of our website. So the same way we are going to do this: downloaded the file, then now go back to file manager, click on upload, and from here now we need to simply upload the service worker here. When I click upload, it takes no time to upload, and then I can click on check and it will be confirmed. Right now my native web push is on, so I can monetize my website or my landing page with Partners House. So there's few customization options you can set on your page once your website is loaded, once your landing page is loaded. How much delay it should take before it shows the notification icon, and then you can also set up on click, in page, and to click push also. So there are so many options in the on click ads menu also. So if you want to have a new tab, or in the same tab you can have it, right? And then you can have the selector, you can customize the display frequency, like once in 30 seconds, once in a day, and whatever you want it to be. And then there is click trigger conditions, like what is the interval. Now you can click on save. So there are other options also. You can enable the in page push also. In page will have very cool display of the notifications, and will be easily monetizing your landing page without hurting the UX of your website. So now you can see, as I have already integrated, and I will click on copy code, and now I have copied this code, and now I need to paste this code in the head section of the landing page I want to show ads. So simply copy this, go back to your landing page and paste it there. I will show you once again. Copy the code from here and then go to your folder of the landing page, then index.html. I will edit this. You can edit this with your preferred editor, and then before closing of the head tag you have to paste it here, and then click on save changes or save the file in your file manager, and then the ads will start showing up. So I will show you my landing page also. So as you can see, this is my landing page, and here in the bottom of the screen and top left corner you can see this pop-up. It's not a pop-up, it is just a allow permission icon, and this is what uh, Partners House do to monetize your website, monetize your landing page, monetize your traffic basically. So as you can see, I'm constantly making money from my traffic. This is not running traffic, this is the traffic I ran way back in time, and now it is generating revenue for me. So you can see the previous statistics of my landing page traffic, and now I'm running ads through AdCache and it is generating traffic. And meanwhile, let's talk about top countries from where you can buy traffic and monetize it using Partners House. So as you can see, I have sites in my Partners House dashboard, and now I can edit this and also check the stats stats according to days, hours, formats, countries, platforms, OS versions. So there are so many options in Partners House dashboard to view at the numbers. So you can customize the statistics dashboard also. The columns you want to see and the columns you don't want to see, you can customize from here. So for example, I only need to see the data that matters for me, so I can customize it from here, and I can look directly into the total profit and clicks, unique clicks, revenue share clicks, revenue share CPC, and everything in a very quick layout. In the finances, you see payment orders. Here's the option to withdraw your earnings, and there is a 5% early payout fee, and usually it's 3%. So if you have any support requirement, then you can ask them from support system, and you can also earn 3% of your referrals. There is extra monetization feature also. If you want to check details about extra monetization, I have written a very detailed article about that, so do not forget to check it out for more income. Now coming back to the dashboard, let me take you through the payment method options. There is push house balance. You can withdraw your earnings into your push house balance if you are an advertiser. There is pay to house, capitalist, USDT, TRC, web money, bank card for Russia, bank card for Kazakhstan, and U money. So all these options are available. You can choose the one you want, and then the details for your manager and for direct chatting with your manager is also available. You can contact them on Telegram. You can change language and a lot more. There's notification also for regular promotions by Partners House. So coming back to the dashboard, you can see your sites, and you can customize the ads, how they look on your website from here also. So this is a very cool feature, so you are in full control of the ads that are shown on your website. Now again, coming back to the dashboard, you can see how many clicks, subscription, and CPC you are getting. You can compare your today's earning from the yesterday's earning as well, and all these graphs are very detailed. I have dropped my Partners House referral link in the description and the first comment of this video. Also, the Ad Cash referral link, so you can sign up and start running traffic and integrate it with Partners House to get more earnings. So guys, in this video, we discussed how one single integration can add income streams for you using multiple ad formats in Partners House. Also, when it is on rev share basis, you continue to make money in the future even after you stop running traffic on your landing pages. Through the push subscribers you earn through your media buying stuff, and that's the asset you will build over time if you start integrating your traffic with Partners House. So what are you waiting for? Start today and add another income stream to your media buying strategy. So guys, if you liked this video, hit the like button, and if you learned something new, please subscribe to my channel and leave your feedback and questions in the comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.